Hello everyone. In this guide, I am going to show you how to add a refund option in WooCommerce for free. This will help you improve your credibility and trust from customers. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Install a refund plugin for WooCommerce. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover the mouse to plugins from the left sidebar menu. Then, click on Add New Plugin. There are a lot of plugins for you to add refund option. But in this tutorial, I am using the Flexible Refund and Return Order for WooCommerce plugin. Now, type Flexible Refund in the search bar to find Flexible Refund plugin. And here is it. This is a freemium plugin, which has a free plan with basic functions, for you to add a refund option in your WooCommerce store. Click the Install Now button, and then activate it, then move to the next step. Step 2. Set up refund option in WooCommerce. After activating the plugin, you will reach the Installed Plugins page. Find the Flexible Refund plugin you have installed, and click in the Start Here option. Then, you will be directed to the setting page of Flexible Refund. In here, you will have an overview of the plugin, including its function, and how to use it correctly. To set it up, go to Order Refund tab in this page. In this new page, tick the option Order Refund button. And choose the refund type on cash or bank account. You also need to tick the option Allow to Shipment Refund if you want the customer to be charged the return shipping rate. There are some advanced features such as auto refund, but they require a pro plan. If you need more functions, you can upgrade your account later. Lastly, hit the Save Changes button. Step 3. Set up the refund form. Navigate to the Refund Form tab in the Flexible Refund setting page. In here, you will see many widgets such as text, text area, radio, checkbox, select, and more. They allow you to create various forms of refund. For example, I am choosing the text widget and creating a new refund form. I will name it as feedback. This new form will be added and shown in the Edit Form section at the right side. Click the extending icon to further edit the form. Select Require if you want this form as compulsory. Here, I set the feedback form not required, so the customers can leave feedback or not when they want a refund. You can create more refund forms for the customer to fill in when they send a refund request. In this video, I create one more form and name it as Reason, to ask for the reason why the customers want to refund. Don't forget to hit the Save Changes button to update what you've done. Step 4. Test and Preview. The final step is to test and preview how the refund option works in your WooCommerce store. First, let's make a test order as a customer. You need to visit your store and add some items to the cart, and then proceed to the checkout. Choose a payment method and place an order. Then, seller completes the order manually. Now, come back to your WooCommerce dashboard, hover the mouse to WooCommerce, and click Orders. You can see all orders in your store. Take a look at the test order you have made. As you see, its status is processing. Now, you click on it to see the details. To fulfill this order, just change the status from processing to completed. And hit the Update button. After that, customer creates a refund request. Now, as a customer, go to the My Account page and visit the Recent Orders section. In here, you can see all your orders you made from the store. As you can see, these orders are completed and have a refund button. If you want to get a refund for an order, just click on the refund button and fill in the required refund forms, such as feedback and reason. Don't forget to hit the Send Request button at the page bottom. Now, your refund request is sent to the store owner. If the shop owner hasn't confirmed your request, you can cancel it if you want. Next, seller approves the refund request. Once receiving the refund requests from customers, the store owner can check them out by going to Orders in WooCommerce and see the order details. Here is the refund request I have made. Take a look at the feedback and reason. You can leave some notes for customers. If the reasons are reasonable, you can accept it. Or if you find it not acceptable, you can refuse or verify it. Or you can set it to shipment if you want the customer to be charged the return shipping rate. And click the Update button. Finally, customer check the refund result. Now, return to the store front end as a customer and refresh the order detail page to see the refund status, and you see it. The refund request is approved with a note. And the store owner has refunded all money to you. And that's it. You have successfully added a refund option in WooCommerce. If you have further questions, please leave a comment below. If you like our video, please give us a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.